everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasons with Sheena. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Wagwan, how to do, how things, how life. Bless up to each and every one. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn our revenue. All right, make we get straight down into the video. My loves, me could talk. Me don't know where to start from. Me don't know if me for ball. Me don't know if me for laugh. You know, tears are joy or what, because as me always say, no matter what this woman do, she always get the support. The people them always come out for her. The planka them no make she flop. Must say, winter wonderland never have a nice. So, me never did it. And nobody can tell me, say me and Agnes never did it. Oh, I enjoy myself. My loves, I move up everything in my room because I want space. I want space for boogie down. I say a long time I not see one party nice. So, a long time I go a party and hear them tune there. Them early 2000s, them 90s, them 80s. A long time I not hear them tune there one party. I no lie, Winter Wonderland sell off. Winter Wonderland sell off. It could nicer. It could nicer. When me look and see everybody depend them foot, all young, middle age, sickly, and lazy, everybody depend them foot. Everybody enjoy themselves. Lady D, this is supposed to one of your best party. What a night, my loves. I'm a not lie, Princess Rose. You see you, Princess Rose? Princess Rose. My love, Princess Rose coming like they're hyperactive. Oh no, they're hyperactive pitney there. Yes, Princess Rose coming like they're hyperactive pitney there. Princess Rose is a whole different vibe. Princess Rose is a whole life. Princess Rose is always the life of the party. Princess Rose always stand out. You can look in at the crowd and pick out Princess Rose. She have her unique way of dressing. I'm not like she look damn good. Yeah, Princess Rose, you always stand out. Now with the dancing, Sophie, she know. Then Sophia who? Sophia can dance. Me love Sophia can dance. Me not ready for touch Seymour badness yet. Me loves me not ready for touch a Seymour badness yet. I want Seymour badness. The party mash up. The planka them disobey Lady D and mash up the party. The dance floor mash up. Chateau Mar Golf Resort no good again. It mash up. Auntie D and the planka them tear it down clean, my loves. The whole of Florida broke down. The place did hot. It was a vibe. And me I tell you right now, me I sell Tiger Balm. Me I sell Tiger Balm. Uno put in on orders from now. I selling Tiger Balm because I know it's enough for uno. A long time for uno whole bone no hackle up. I know wake up with all kind of pain tomorrow. To how some uno drop foot tonight. A long time. The muscle them no get them the kind of activity there. So I know tomorrow someone will wake up with hamstring pull. Or no wake up with back pain. Or no wake up with all kind of pain in our no root. So I got Tiger Balm for uno so uno put in on the others now. Yes, some of bone them did seize up. Anyways, now my love, make we chat. Hey, my love, my party, you know. Hey, my love, somebody couldn't tell me say me and Agnes wasn't there. Somebody can't tell me say in the bedroom me and Agnes they a party. My loves, we party. How? And if me enjoy for myself so much, me can just imagine on a wedding present. Can just imagine on a wedding present. Now like I love the unity, I love the togetherness, I love the oneness. It matter. The music them excellent choice of music. As me say, a long time me not hear them tune there. Long time me not hear them tune there. And me have to say big up to Raga Shanti and DJ Rai. Them bring back the niceness there in a dance hall last night. Yeah man, them bring back the niceness there. A long time when I see them kind of niceness there in a dance hall. Woman and man a dance and them something. A long time when I see them sitting there. Nobody is party man a fight for video light. They might try take away the spotlight from the woman. And then dance with woman in a party more so again. So yeah, Raga Shanti and DJ Rai them bring we down memory lane. Lady D, me have a suggestion, Lady D. You have to make this annual. You have to make this an annual thing, Lady D. This can't be no one-time thing. You have to make it an annual thing. Everything was well organized. The people them pretty. Everybody come out in them Sunday best. Nobody never pop down. But I one thing, my loves. One thing, the planka them that was at the party, them did unruly, my love. Unruly in the sense that they were very disobedient because, oh no, remember, you know, my loves. Lady D come in. You know, a little vibe and I go on before Lady D come in, but you know, Lady D come in. You know she come and you know she start because you know say bad to bad Lady D not do without God. Anything she do, she put God into it. So now she start out with prayer now, my dear children, and church song I play and all these things. You know, like one little mini prayer meeting, yeah, other vibe there. When I get called, it be a church song. Till one of the time now, me I say, Mercy God, Lady D birthday party, I got on prayer meeting. Then you know she come and she start big up the business people them. You know she a big up people and so. Imagine you know my love, imagine a for your birthday, you know, pan birthday. And you receive the gift. You know, give a gift on your birthday. And this is not very common because on birthday, everybody I look forget them now, look forgive. So you know, she give a couple gift and thing. The gospel them a play and a galang now, you know, my love. Yeah, but the tell me say she do one speech too. Yeah, she do this speech. If me left out this, me I put in here, so she do this speech. Yeah, and you know the gospel, them a go on and everybody sit down and hum and a go on with themselves. And you know I listen to, I take in the gospel music, them are so. But Lady D did want the selector. Lady D tell the selector that, the DJ, that, you know, she don't want a certain type of music, you understand? For she don't want no broke outness there. And she want the plank of them not to do any form of broke outness. Just do them nice little decent dance. Enjoy themselves. And so, you know, until you know the DJ now take time I come in with some different tune, you know, gospel done. Little Berries, little Taros, Riley, little Marcia Griffiths. Yeah, man, electric boogie and be things. Hey, my loves, when the nice music them start to drop. When the music them start to drop, you know. For you know, say when good music hit, you know, no matter how you sit down, you got to stand. And the music them start to hit. And the planka them turn choir, everybody started to sing. One by one, two by two, some by some until everybody get up on them foot and them start to drop foot. You see you, Mr. Seymour, you? You say you, Mr. Seymour. Mr. Seymour, if you no breathe tonight, nobody else can breathe. If you no breathe tonight, Mr. Seymour, nobody else in this world can breathe. Me say me love the man full of energy. The man full of energy a whole night. Mr. Seymour dance, you know me love. And I know me no see my blow shot like tired donkey, you know. He ma drop some breather foot, you know. Hey, on looking for Mr. Seymour. Mr. Seymour, I can just imagine the type of man that you was in your days, sir. And one thing, me dear children, the ladies, them wine him out. And I saw them a wine, you know, me love. I saw him a match the rhythm and a bubble pan them, you know. Me say, mercy God. They know. I know them here people here lady details say no broke noteness. Me dear children, who don't know say lady they have to draw one side and go catch one side. Me love and go and turn so back and watch them come. Me don't know what she did I go talk about no broken outness. Then the people them can pay them money if you go enjoy themselves, lady D. And nice music a play and them go sit down and talk about them and dance because Auntie Dana said no broken outness. Lady D go sit down. Lady D go sit down. Just go and sit down, Lady D, and watch the vibe. Enjoy yourself for your birthday. We're celebrating your 51st birthday. Little bit over half a century. You're upon this earth over 5 decades. And we all know say age is a blessing. Me loves when I see how the people them started to reel and galang. Me loves me say, mercy God, look where prayer meeting turn out too. Look where the church service turn out too. But nah lie, my love, it was nice. Very nice. One of the time when go down they start playing that the song with Spice and Shaggy them go down there, why not go down there? Me see one lady in a one white down there, me love. She was down there, me dear children. But when she did forget up back, me love. If Ibalaka say she did a go lose her balance, me the when me see she tag away 2 times. But you know she catch her balance, she know, but that drop fast, she did down there, go down the middle, but when she did fi come back up, me love, she couldn't come back up properly. And that lady in the white all in one, well, why not Mr. Seymour? And back it up properly for Mr. Seymour. I hope when Mr. Seymour call you to tell you that he's pregnant, you stand up to your responsibility, lady. Hey, me love between me and you. Freedom Street concert never nice, so. Mr. Cartel show never nice, so. This are the party of the century. Big people something. It was a good look. When I talk truth, me love anybody have nothing bad to say about this. Them are some real haters. Cause even as a hater, me know enough of them haters they sit down and watch the live and I drop foot too. Them a watch the live and them a dancing at them house. And we know some of them all want come go on like them want try beat this. You know me love. Them all want come try beat this, but them can't beat this. Them can't beat this. Only Dana one can do this. Them can't do this and beat Dana. Them can't do this. No matter how them try, them can't do this. Them couldn't do this. Now, this are the moment now, my love. We shock most people. Me personally wasn't shocked. Me did I look forward to it. I was expecting it. From the moment me see Mr. Ashanti walk in, me know say, Lady D not go make them walk out to my Mr. Majesty and not try patch things and make peace. Me did I look for it. I was expecting it. And I love that moment there. I love that moment. I agree with everything Lady D did have to say pertaining to all of that. I agree. Too much war and cascas out here, man. Too much war and cascas. Yeah, but I not lie. I not lying, Mr. Ashanti. Mr. Ashanti, you look dapper. Mr. Ashanti, you sell off. Mr. Ashanti, you sharp like 10,000 razor blade. Yeah, with a rich look. Yeah, Ashanti, you come right out the man clean to him steps. Yeah, it was a good look. Proper something. And Chris, I love your shoes. I love Chris shoes. Yeah, man. Iman Kazim come right out. Iman Kazim come out. Yeah, but overall, everybody look good. Everybody look good. Everybody come out in them Sunday best. And everybody come well put together. And we can see say, you know, enjoy yourself and you get no money's worth. And listen, my loves, if them never come out of the place by 10 o'clock, you know, you me feel like I say party would go until a morning, you know. Party would go until a morning. Yeah, man, the big man, them make the young girl, them look like them nan try. The big man, them look good. Not to mention Carol, I always admire Carol. Cause we know Carol age. Carol no look nothing like she didn't know when in her 60s, much less for the in her 60s. Carol, you need to go do a search. You need to go do a search, my love, and get your correct birthday. Get your correct birth certificate. Because that the certificate, the way you walk on with where you show you say you're 60. No, that is incorrect. You need to go do a search, Carol, and get your correct age, my love. Because Carol is no regular 60-year-old. Then unna say Miss Carol a girl. Unna say Miss Carol a girl. When Miss Carol put herself together, she well put together. No 20, 30, 40, or 50-year-old can't come size up. The big woman look good. But this was a classic moment. And as me say, Lady D, you have to make this annual. You have to make this an annual thing, Lady D. This can't be, one-off thing. Yeah, man, everybody had fun. Everybody was out and stunting. Right. And next time, Lady D, just keep for your kin quiet. You keep for your kin quiet and go hold your corner. And make the people they enjoy themselves, man, but no broken out. You Lady D, you think people them in their convention or then they rally Lady D, then come a party, then come for party, them come for enjoy themselves. And no ask if Raga and boost them, you know. No ask if Raga and boost them. Raga did boots them up for broke out. And when me a watching now, you know me dear children, Sister Rosie Rose cross my mind. Come on, no say Sister Rosie Rose would have the dance floor there. Sister Rosie Rose would have the dance floor there for herself. I don't know Sister Rosie Rose love drop foot. Yeah, man. A Lady D, me applaud you for this. I applaud you for this. Only you alone could have do this. You alone could have pulled this off. And we say never flop, can't flop. You can't do this and beat the planka boss.
Uno come do this and beat the planka boss when no tomorrow the whole on we go get up, come out, come criticize. But it no matter how much you know criticize, as she still a win. As she still a steal the show. So no can talk all uno want. Talk all uno want. But no can match up to her no time. No day. And one planka we say. And one planka boss we say. One DMG. One Dana Badness. Never two. But me love now with the peace treaty, me dear children. You no feel like peace make? Lord have mercy, me just feel like peace make. You no see how they hold hands? You see how lady they make them hold hand in hand? Two of them hang on pan their one another hand and me I try to read their facial expression, me love. But the smell we Ashanti have pan him mouth, beloved, you can't read him expression. Cause that a one smell that him have. Him not change up his smile, him just keep his smile right there. So I couldn't read his smile. Him in a dark eye glass, Chris in a dark eye glass, so me can't read their eye. But me I whisper to Agnes, I wonder what them a say about them one another in their mind, Agnes. Yeah, Agnes, what them a say about them one another in their mind? I wanna see how the one Ashanti ma go on like he shy. Go on like he shy. And tomorrow no in company live and roar like a king of the jungle. And I talk with nice voice. I talk with nice voice. Me, I said, and I see him Ashanti this year where they over Ashanti Flicks TV. Hear the nice, calm, smooth voice where my talk. Hear the nice, calm, smooth voice where my talk with. But pick up yourself, Lady D. When you're blessed, you're blessed. When you're blessed, you're blessed. It was a great show. It was a great party. Everything about it did awesome. Everybody look good. Everybody stay good. And everybody behave well. It's just that them disobey you. And then left from prayer meeting and then gone broke out. From prayer meeting to broken out this. But me no believe God begs. Me no think God begs me love. God understands. Yeah, enjoy them and enjoy themselves. Yes, anyways, we've come to the end of another video. Thank you all for tuning in. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn our revenue. Big up on yourself later.